Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 4. Question number 4 is, question number 4 is, if a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus b square. Let us find. Number 1 is a square plus b square. The value of a is 2, that we are getting 2 square plus value of b is minus 2 square. Then we are getting 2 to the 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, because 2 into 2 into 4 and minus into minus is plus 4, and we are getting 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is the answer. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, a square plus ab plus b square, therefore is equal to, a means 2, that is 2 square plus a is 2 and b is minus 2 plus b is minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square. Then we are getting 2 to the 4 plus into minus, that is minus 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, right? Plus 4 minus 4 will cut, therefore the answer is 4. Therefore the answer we are getting is 4. Now question number 3 is, a square minus b square, that is a square minus b square. The value of a is 2, that is 2 square minus the value of b is minus 2 square. You are getting 2 to the 4 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, it is 4 minus 4. You are getting the value as 0. You are getting the value as 0, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.